Hi guys, VST here, When I Speak Tech. Yes, this time you can see that my review desk is empty, but I got this here in my hand, right? So, I got a box from Ozone BG, and I want to do like a mystery unboxing, which probably is not going to be 100% fair because I know what is inside, but I'm not telling you. Just curious if you are really looking forward to see what I have in the box, and I have the box right here, by the way. Wow. And you know, it's a very heavy box. It's a very heavy box, and because I'm not sure if you can really get the idea of how heavy it is, I'm just going to try to measure this so that you can get really a better understanding. So this is now in grams. It is almost 3 kilos. So whatever is inside, oh Jesus Christ, oh wow, oh my god, my setup almost got killed by this very heavy box here, guys. So before I start opening it, do you have any ideas what can be inside? Alright, is it a new laptop? Is it something else? Is it probably an iPad? Is it like a very big phone? What do you think is there inside the box? Please pause the video right now and put your suggestions into the comments below. And of course, I'm gonna know if you lied to me or not. Alright, so please hit the pause right now, put your comments down below. Alright, do it now. Okay, now, after you have guessed, hopefully some of you guys are really getting to know what is inside there and probably guess correctly if you really follow me on social media. Okay, but yeah, anyway guys, I'm really eager. I'm starting with the unbox. Not so easy, man. It does look easier when they do it on the YouTube. Yeah, okay, almost there. Alright guys, by the way, I am shooting this video in 4K resolution because I think that what is inside actually deserves to be really shot on 4K 60 frames just to stay for the future generations. And guys, I'm gonna reveal now what is inside in 3, 2, okay? Did you? Alright, now you thought I was gonna do it? No, please guys, before I do this, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video. And now 3, 2, 1, 0. Woo! Jesus, okay, now, oh my god, what is this, like a laptop? Oh, it's heavy. What do you think is this, guys? What do you think is inside? Oh my, oh god, oh my, I never actually thought this was so heavy. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, I should have done really an same AR video with all this nice stuff. Oh my god, here it is. The Legend of Zelda, art and artifacts. And oh my god, is this a huge book, by the way? Not sure if I can. Yeah, you see, this is like a regular sized iPad Air. You see? Wow, it's a huge book. I really thought this was smaller when I ordered this. Anyway, guys, you know, I got this for a very, very nice price, guys. You know, it costed me only 15 euro from ozone.bg, right? So this is the brand here, okay? And by the way, that's not a sponsored video, sorry for that, I wish it was, but it's not. Anyway, now Ozone are doing this, they are selling some stuff really up to 60% discount, and now I got it for like 15 euro. Usually the price of this baby is almost 40 euros, so it was a very good price. And of course, you know, I'm a big fan of Zelda, you know. If I had a daughter, you know, maybe like Joshua Topolsky, maybe I would have named her Zelda. I mean, I so much like the games. I have the Nintendo 3DS XL, I have the Nintendo new 2DS XL. I have also the Switch here. I have playing Zelda, you know, since I'm pretty much around, and that's I think 40 years already. Okay, but without any further ado, guys, let me. Oh my God, you see, 53 US. What is this? Canadian dollars? The US? Oh no, 40 US dollars, guys. 40 US dollars, and I got it for 30 less, which is 15 euro. The Legend of Zelda series, which produced some of the most iconic and memorable artwork in the video game history. Nintendo has thrown open the vault to collect your favorite masterpieces from this storied franchise, as well as a rare and never before seen content. The Legend of Zelda Art and Artifacts contains over 400 pages of illustrations from the first 30 years of the series. You know, from the first 30 years, I mean, this is how much Zelda has been around here. This oversized, I like this oversized hand cover includes game box art, official character designs, artwork from the instruction booklet, sketches, rare promotional pieces, pixel art, a fold-out poster, interviews with the artists, and much, much more. Alright guys, now I'm gonna get to the real part where I really open this and really together what is inside. Okay, I need to be very careful with this because I don't want to destroy it somehow. Oh my god. So hard plastic, man. Let's try to. I don't want to even do like any kind of damage to this book. Oh my god, this is it's probably the heaviest and kind of like the biggest book that I own here in our apartment. So wow, Jesus Christ. Wow, this smells so good. Zelda, The Legend of Zelda. Oh my god, here it is, guys. Here it is. All right, let's open this one. Wow, nice, beautiful paper. Yeah, I can recognize this, so much memories. By the way, I recently bought like a Nintendo Switch and I've been playing Zelda, The Breath of the Wild, and I'm probably somewhere half about finishing the game, probably 40-50%, and I do really enjoy it. I play some few hours per week. I just want to prolong the moment I'm playing this. Oh my god, yes. Yeah, let's see, we have here some. Oh, it's just so heavy. I mean, if you're a kid, then yeah, probably need your parents to hold it for you. Here we have The Legend of Zelda and all the games, the characters, the illustrations, the Temple of the Time. It is really astonishing, by the way. It is absolutely astonishing. What I see right now here is that the Breath of the Wild is apparently not included. I just see that they go to try Forest Heroes, but that's okay, I guess. Okay. Wow, beautiful animation. The paper quality, I think, is right. Also quite nice. So just take a look. I mean, The Legend of Zelda, right? Just take a look. It is absolutely amazing, right? The Legend of Zelda 94 release, Japan only. I mean, if you are a fan of Nintendo, then probably know about Zelda. And if you are a fan of Zelda, there is not a real reason why you should not be owning this book. You see here, Zelda 2 is the adventure of Link. Okay, see how the character is changing. All right, adventure of Link again. Castle here. Hyrule, Legend of Zelda, A Link to the Past. You can see here the sword is a very iconic also. Master Force, wow my god, all the murals, A Link to the Past. It is absolutely astonishing, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna do some more pages for you so that you can pretty much understand, how the book looks like and what is inside. Legend of Zelda again. Okay, Legend of Zelda, A Link to the Past and Four Swords. I mean, you can just see this pretty much like a story, and I think Zelda is probably one of the most iconic games ever released in the gaming industry. It all started, on some platforms, consoles, and actually Zelda never made its way to the PC there because, of course, it's Nintendo, right? But I think Zelda has lived for more than over 30 years and pretty much been released in almost every region and for almost all the Nintendo consoles and the handhelds and the N64 and the GameCube, and it's pretty amazing. Legend of Zelda, again, Link to the Past, right? Okay, so they kind of put these animations, from the game and from the intros, and then of course some of the poster arts. Let's see here, wow, the Ocarina of Time. Ocarina of Time, one of the favorite games I've played Zelda. With the flute here, it's really amazing. If you can just put this now a search on YouTube and just search Ocarina of Time, you're gonna see like grown-up adults, even probably older than me, impersonating Zelda and specifically Link the character, and doing these cosplay things. It's really huge. I'm not really into that, but I am a big fan of Zelda. Here see Ganon, and we see also Zelda the Princess. It's pretty much amazing, and I can tell you, I played the Ocarina of Time now last year, I think, on my new Nintendo 3DS. And this pretty much rings a bell. I mean, I can really recognize these moments, from the game. And of course, here they went into extreme Ocarina of Time, and it's just things that you will not see in the game. So the added value of buying this book is you're gonna get a lot of things that were never actually included, in the games, like this poster and all the animations. Yeah, you see here again, and it's just amazing. It's amazing. What I like, is also this year, my bigger kid is much into drawing, so now he's not with us, but when he's gonna be back, I think he's going to really enjoy this one. He's gonna be crazy. Oh my god. Oh yes, this is absolutely amazing. I can tell you, really. I can tell you. Majora's Mask. Yeah. So much memories, guys. But okay, I will now shut up and just let's do some more pages, guys, and for you can really enjoy what is the content here. And I'm even not about like 10% in the book. Okay, Oracle of Ages. Cool. The Wine Walker. Oh my god, take a look. This is just amazing. The level of art, I mean, one cannot really not recognize how many efforts and how many creative energy has been put from the... Sorry, I said I'm not gonna do some talking, but I can not actually stop talking. The level of creative energy that has been put into designing those games is absolutely astonishing. And you know, if you played some recent games like Journey from That Game Company, which I think is, anyway, not so recent, I think now 6 years, maybe 7 years, it was released for the PlayStation 3. One of the reasons for me actually to buy the PlayStation 3, one of the best games ever, look it up, it's called Journey from That Game Company. Right, and you can recognize some things even that existed in Zelda, like all the murals and the style of designs. It's pretty amazing what Nintendo has achieved there, and of course all the individuals, right? Let me just see, guys. I'm gonna skip a little bit forward. Wow, now to the more mature Zelda games. A Link Between Worlds. It's crazy how, you know, Link can actually walk through walls. Right, it's really incredible. Now we have all the characters. The magical sword, and I can tell you, you know, if you're a grown-up like me, gonna get crazy about this book. The characters, you see the level of detail is really insane. It is really insane. The paper quality is very nice. Okay, characters, you see the Ocarina of Time. Oh, this is really amazing. And they even go into such tiny details like the items, for example. That's really astonishing. Okay, the characters here, we have Link. Who doesn't know who Link is, right? I mean, if you doesn't know who Link is, probably already stopped watching this video. Playing now the Ocarina of Time. Oh my god. This is really amazing. All the battle moves and throwing the bombs and, you know, climbing ladders, opening boxes and treasuries. It's all there. Oh, and now we have here Ganondorf, the Calamity Ganon. Alright, the Impas. It's really nice. Yeah. From all the games. Okay, let's go a little bit to the end. Yeah, you see now, we recognize some of the newer games. Twilight Princess, 3D design now. Okay, items again. I just want to see what the legend. Oh, I was wrong. The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild is apparently there. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ! You have to see this. Oh, you have to see this, man. You have to see this. Link climbing up. Insane. You know, I have been actually thinking I'm gonna buy one of those. You know, I don't really collect items like that. But when I saw the price of this beauty, guys, I said I need to own this. And guys, actually this was my video. I do really hope that you gonna like that one. You know what to do in case you like it. In case not, then have a nice rest of the day. And VST, over and bye.